In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear ABS sensor on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts for the hubcap. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 8 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. We're going to remove the connector off the ABS sensor, pull on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using an 8mm wrench, we're going to remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Grab onto the sensor and work it back and forth. Pull straight out and remove the sensor. Install the new sensor into place. Be sure it's fully seated and get the bolt installed. Snug the bolt down, get it nice and tight. Install the connector, push until you hear a click, go to pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the wheel. Get all the lug nuts started by hand. Snug the nuts down. Using a 22mm socket, torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap and snug down the nuts. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.